Maybe there was, but I didn't know about any prop firm. And now there are a lot of prop firms. And I purchased a prop firm in 2021 or 2022. I think it was 21. My first prop firm with a friend. Didn't pass the challenge. Actually, that one there was no challenge. It was Blue FX. All you need to do is make a certain profit target for you to be able to withdraw your money. And I wasn't able to, we weren't able to make the profits on time on that particular month to withdraw the money. So we lost that account. And we bought the second account the next month. Same thing happened. That account, it actually went into drawdown. So we lost that one too. Then fast forward, bought another account with a friend, which was a different prop firm, my Forex funds, a 10K challenge. We passed that challenge. Thank God. Made our first withdrawal, and since then the account has been going downhill. And unfortunately, we lost the account too. And this year, 2023, I went solo and purchased my own account, which I was, my strength could afford, which was the 5K challenge. And I passed the challenge. Since then, greed, fear, it's not allowing me to move forward. Not even making any profit on the account, and as of now, I'm in drawdown. God willing, I'll make a withdrawal on that account. I promise I will not lose that account. I'm making this video for my own self-motivation, and maybe I might post it one day, maybe. But to go deep, a little bit deep into my life, I've always wanted to be, a YouTuber. Since, I discovered YouTube, not solely like wanting to be a YouTuber, in collision of me wanting, time freedom, me wanting that freedom, because as a child I was never given that freedom. I was always, taking it by force, by leaving the house without telling anybody, doing things when I'm not told to do it. I know damn well I'll get in trouble doing it, and still I do it. But I bought myself a smartphone in 2017. That was when I actually wanted to go full on YouTube. But back then I was in love with gaming, so I wanted to do, games, record my gameplays and post it and stuff. And I actually did, but it wasn't going anywhere, so I deleted most of the videos. Then my other self kicked in, which was my business self. I wanted to, make money online. I discovered cryptocurrency, started doing some to cryptocurrency, investing here and there. Unfortunately too, I lost a lot of money in crypto. Not solely bad, investment, but I knew nothing about crypto, and yet still I endeavored in it. And I lost a lot of money in crypto. A year saving, month savings, I was devastated, but yet still, we're still continuing, we still continue. I've always wanted to, record more videos like this, but my current life, I don't want to bring it to the world, because some people will just criticize and question you and all that, and I'm actually not ready for any of that, because I care about my growth, and when somebody talks me down that much, I don't know how well I will take it. So as of now, I'm working on myself. That's why I said I may not post this video, but God willing, I will, just to motivate, some people. In 2019, when I completed school, my dad gave me this room I'm in. It was first used by my sisters, but they moved into a different room, and this room was then used as storage. Old stuffs were packed in here, stuffs which were not being used again were packed in here. We actually live roadside, so it's actually very dusty in this neighborhood, or let me say in this area. For those of us who live by the roadside, cars passing by, the wind and all that. Yeah, my dad gave me this room, and when I came in, it was very dusty. But I took some of the stuff out, and as you can see, I still have some of my things here. This are my books, which I brought from school, and my trunk from school, my troubles from school, and my ecolac. And you're wondering why I have two, because I started with this, and later on my school decided they were not accepting this anymore, because they were bringing a lot of bed bugs. Not like bringing back, it's like they were hosts of bed bugs, because bed bugs could get easily. So I then bought a trunk and started using this one in school. I brought the towels back home, and when I was given this room, I started using it as my wardrobe, because I have no wardrobe. So the troubles has my clothes. I don't think I have a lot of clothes. Most of them are worn out, torn, and all that. And my trunk is being used to store my shorts and trousers. And I have my one pair shoe, which someone bought for me as a gift. Very thankful. And yeah, this old bed, which I discovered in here when this room was given to me, it was actually not holding up, so I had to nail some few parts in. And this mattress is actually older than a lot of people, because it's even older than my younger sister, and she is 17 years plus. Yeah, I'm sure 17 plus. She'll be 18 this year. So this mattress actually is older than a lot of people. If I should remove this cover right now, you will see how damaged it is, and it is actually affecting me, because my back. It is actually affecting my back. And since I started trading, I've been putting up some few things over here, for a little motivation. and I actually saved up enough to buy myself a laptop, which I've been trading with, and I'm actually in a trade right now. If you can see, I'm actually in a trade. This is GBP, JPY, and USD JPY, and I'm actually in profit right now. So I hope it continues that way, because the account is actually in drawdown right now. And as I said, I'm not losing this account by any means. If I need to start trading, risking just 0.5%, I will. If it's going to take me 3-4 months for me to bring the account back to its initial deposit, for me to start making profits again, I will wait, because I'm not losing this account and I'm not getting any younger. So yeah, I bought this book, decided to start writing things down. As you can see, the date is actually flipped backwards, but it's actually 15th December 2020. That's when I decided to buy a book and start writing stuff down. Candlestick confirmation patterns and all that. It hasn't been easy though, but today I decided to make the video, because I've tried making this video multiple times and I find myself backing out from making the video, but yet still we're going to make it for sure. And I'm telling myself right now, I'm looking at the screen at the camera, the actual camera is right here. You are going to make it be the best version of yourself, I promise. And to whoever watches this video, whether I post it or show it to you, I hope it motivates you, to go for whatever you love, strive for greatness, work as hard as you can, because trust me, I've saved up a lot since 2019 just to renovate this room, but I told myself, if this room is looking beautiful, finished and all that, and I'm still broke, what's the sense of it? Maybe some of you like it and all that, but actually in 2019 going to 2020, if it wasn't for the coronavirus outbreak, I would have been in military by now. Crazy, but Corona came. I stopped my internship, and when Corona went down, military men, the courage, mindset, and all that. But I was actually battling my parents, just to prolong the process. I need to go to school first before I go to military, so that I'll be an officer and all that. Just because I was trading and wanted a little more time. I'll go to school next year. Then we'll see what we do. Then, next year. So I broke the news to them that I wanted to trade. And I spent a lot of time in the room, so they thought I was actually doing fraud. But I wasn't. And if any of my parents have seen this video, now you know. And the 10K my Forex fund account, I actually traded with a friend. We made our first withdrawal with that on that account, and I actually used it to purchase tiles for the floors. I still don't have any money to pay someone to fix it because it costs a lot. Actually, I'm from Ghana, for anyone wondering. If I should post this video, if anyone is wondering where I'm from Ghana. And yeah, I think I've said enough. I'll continue later. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace. Good morning. It's week 1 of trading the funded account, and just made $479 profit on my account in the first week. Hope to continue this way. Good morning. It's week 2 of trading a funded account, and I made almost $500 on my first week, and this is the second week, and I blew the profit I made the first week, all of it, plus extra $100. That's the updates on my account right now. Better luck next time.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Charlie, this is serious. Now.
In full-time trading, real estate development, and traveling around the world. Let's welcome Kojo Forex, Bright Onipayede. Let's appreciate him.
Money, see.